Hey, I'm Mimi Miller, and thanks at C&J Beauty Supply in Inglewood, and I'm going to show you how to install a full lace wig. The first thing we want to do is use our tape across the hairline, and this is going to attach the lace front to your hair. This is double-sided tape, and we're just going to put this across the front hairline. I always take off the bottom first and leave the top on, just in case I have to move it to another section. I'm going to remove the tabs and full lace wig, going from the back and making sure it's lined up correctly. Allow it to dry for 15 minutes. Gently pressing your hand across the hairline where the tape is. And you can take the tape all the way around. And that's how you install a full lace wig.